this is Tim from Euro6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to view images or videos from a USB device on your Amazon Fire TV. So this is very easy. You just have to plug this in on the back of your TV, and there's going to be a small USB slot. I think it's slot 4 on my TV, and I have a cheaper TV. It was only like $170, so you might have something plugged in there already. It might be a little bit difficult to plug in. So let me just plug this in. I have it the wrong way. Okay, it's plugged in. Now to view it, you just have to hold down the home button on your remote and go to your input selection. So this is going to work. Okay, let's go to input selection right here. And then you'll have an input selection for like media player. Go to the media player. And it says no content found in here. Oh, that's not good. So I might have to unplug it and plug it back in if that's the case. So if you have something on your USB, it should be opening up right now. So let me try one more time. See if it opens up. Now I might have to restart my TV or something. So let me go back into here. Hold down on this, go to where it says inputs. Go to media player now, way at the bottom for some reason. Maybe it'll work now. So there's nothing in this, unfortunately, but that's how you would view it if you have something on there. Not sure why it's not working, but I'm just gonna unplug my TV from the wall a bit and then just try again, I guess. So let's do that. And then plug it back in. And then start up my TV. There's a button down here at the bottom you can just press down. And it should turn on your TV. If not, I'll just use the button on my remote. So it's starting up. This USB is still plugged in. I can see the light is working on it, so I know it's plugged in. I have a little light on the USB. So I'll just wait for my TV to turn on and I'll try it again. See if that's the problem. I literally just had this working, so sometimes these problems happen and you have to figure it out. So Fire TV's started up, and we'll just see if it works now when I actually go to it. Sometimes this TV gets really slow and it just lags. So we'll see here if it works. Pop, open it up. So you can also go over to the input selections over there. So, okay, nothing's working on here anymore. The devil. So, okay, now I'm back to this screen. It says launch. So I can view them now, apparently. And now it's probably going to work. Content loading. Okay, strange. So, it doesn't work. I guess just restart your TV. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.